We talked all about the big headings: assets, liabilities, equity, but let's break those down a little further. We're going to dive into some accounts. So let's talk about the asset account, fixed assets. Now, the textbook definition of fixed assets are a company's tangible, non-current assets that are used in its business operations. Now, the word fixed indicates that these assets will not be used up, consumed, or sold within the current accounting year. The definition you need to know is that fixed assets are large purchases, usually pieces of equipment or machinery that are used to operate the business, which means make sales. Now, these items will be different depending on which type of business you're in. But for example, a t-shirt screen printer would have a computer and a printer as its fixed assets. If you're a photographer, your fixed assets will probably be a camera, maybe a computer, some lenses, and maybe even a drone or two. Now, these are items that the business will use over a period of time to generate income. Unlike consumables like rent, office supplies, and utilities. To go a bit deeper into the tax treatment of these purchases, because they benefit the business over a long period of time, for tax purposes, depreciation must be taken on fixed assets. Now, depreciation means that you don't get the tax deduction for the full expense when the purchase occurs, as you would with office supplies or rent. You'll get a portion of the deduction every year over a period of years, usually 3 to 7 years if it's equipment. Some outliers are residential property that must be depreciated over 27.5 years, land can't be depreciated at all, and vehicles have very weird rules based on their percentage of personal usage and the weight of the vehicle. However, there's a US Code section 179 that allows for full depreciation of equipment, except buildings, properties, land, and autos, in the year that the purchase occurs. There are limitations to section 179, but most small business owners have no problem staying under those limitations. Where are they on your financials? Fixed assets are assets that show up on the balance sheet.